Hello everyone and welcome to our new vlog. Today we are going to a new campsite, Etties Field. Stay tuned, we'll show you around.
Okay, so today we're down to Etties Field. This is a campsite I've fancied going to for a little while. Missed it at the end of last year because they are open just for the season. It's quite a sort of boho, natural sort of campsite. They've got peacocks and donkeys, I think, as far as we know, and lots of nice meadows and things. Really looking forward to it. According to their website though, you have to have something a little special to go to their campsite.
Is it California special?
We're hoping
we think so, don't we?
that California's classed as fairly special, and that we won't get turned away because I've already paid. So yeah, they don't like standard caravans and motorhomes, I'm afraid. They like things that are a little bit more
Airstreams, it's those kind of things.
Yeah, stuff that they class as kind of funky and different.
It does say V-dubs.
Yes, so hopefully we should be all right.
Yeah.
So apologies to those out there who have normal caravans and motorhomes. We don't make the rules, but I don't know, maybe they might allow you special dispensation if you get in touch. Who knows? So we're really looking forward to this. This is our wedding anniversary. It's a Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, so we're expecting the site to be really quite quiet, but that's great. Love that kind of thing and just being able to mooch about. So yeah, should be good.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Welcome to the most amazing Etties Field campsite. So finally the sun has returned. There's no wind, it's absolutely stunning here. So I'm going to give you a quick tour of the facilities. So as you come into the site here, the way that it's arranged is you've got a stone circle which is around here, which has got pitches actually in the middle of the circle. You can book that separately. And then further on down the site is where you get individual pitches just in a nice big oval. Really good size pitch, nice and easy to position the van, nice and level, just a little bit of use of the ramps, really straightforward. As you can see, it's really quiet here. This is a Tuesday that we're filming this. We're away because it's our wedding anniversary, so nice little trip away, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and yeah, really quiet here at the moment. So if you're here on the right nights of the week, I think it's Friday, Saturday and possibly Sunday, you can get pizza on site. You can pre-order it. They do a really good range and it's nice just to have it really just close by. So each of the pitches has got a chimney, which you can see. You can buy a wood box, so like a starter kit for a fire from them as well. They can supply that ready to go on the pitch when you get here, and it's nice just to be able to keep warm at night while you're outside the van. You can see in the bottom distance there's another toilet block at the bottom of the site, and also in the centre of the site a nice covered area if you wanted to cook some food, take some drinks and go and sit under cover. So we've got some fantastic toilet facilities here. There's a unisex, there's a family bathroom, and there's also a male and female as well, all with showers. And over there in the distance there is a tiny little cabin which is the wash-up area. Okay, so I was keen to give you a quick tour of this family bathroom. So here we go. So as you can see, you can stop the door from creaking. We've got amazing little details in here. Really nice, good big size shower, and a really lovely comfortable feel to it. I had a shower in this one earlier on, and I tell you what, just having a bath mat, nice rug, wooden floor, good ventilation, it's nice and warm, makes all the difference. What a fantastic facility to have on a campsite. So there's also a Elson disposal point at the back of the site, but more importantly is what's hiding behind that, because they've got donkeys as well. Hello, and one more. I was wrong, they've actually got 4. Aren't they gorgeous?
So today is our wedding anniversary, 19th, and we have booked a nice meal, or we hope a nice meal, at a restaurant that's got some really good reviews at it. It's about a 5-minute drive from the campsite, probably shorter to walk it, but easier to drive it, because I don't think there's actually a footpath that goes over there. So anyway, it's called San Giovanni's, and it's a lovely Italian restaurant, if you hadn't guessed by the name, overlooking the river. And so really looking forward to that. I'm feeling super hungry, been starving myself all day for it. So
Sheepy Magna, Sheepy Parva?
Sheepy Parva, I think it's actually, but Sheepy Magna and Sheepy Parva seem next door to each other. I don't think they're the same, they're clearly different. I would imagine, yeah, you've offended people by saying that. So yeah, should be good, looking forward to it.
I can't tell you how lovely this site is. Honestly, it's so tranquil, so peaceful. And if only the weather had been like this for our entire trip here, it would have been absolutely amazing. I really hope you like this kind of content. I know it's not a review of something. Sometimes we like to do these kind of videos, show where we go in the van, show you that we do things just like anybody else. And if you like this kind of content, you know what to do. Please like and subscribe, and we'll see you again soon on our travels for some more California time.